Hi guys, purchase orders are a vital part of stock control. When you've set your minimum stock level and sold to that threshold, Tillex will send you an email saying raise a purchase order. You do this by going to the inventory, clicking on the calendar. The calendar is where you also record stock takes, deliveries, wastages, etc. and select the purchase order icon. You can search by supplier, and if you click on this little dashboard icon here, it will bring up everything that's getting low. I'm going to do it by SKU, stock controlled unit. You can also do it by category. I'm going to search for tea, and you can see if I had more than one supplier there would be a drop down. I've put in the inventory that it comes in a kilo in a tin and it's £40 a kilo. I'm going to add that, and you simply add more. Create a reference and save it. You can see it's automatically raised a delivery note ready for the products to be checked in when they're delivered. So when you look back at calendar entries, you'll see all pink lines are purchase orders. And a properly used calendar should look something like this. Hope that helps.